everybody, I've got my washing machine going and I'm getting my glitters ready for my clients today, and I'm going to do a fun design on Nameless, and so I'm mixing the glitter with a little bit of gel. Everybody, so I'm here with Nameless and we're gonna do something that I saw online that is like super trendy, and I'm just gonna put my stank on it. There we go. So I'm going to do clouds and then I'm going to do line work, and so I'm going to show you kind of what is going on this hand. So this is what I've been seeing a lot of online, and I love it. I love it, love it, love it. And it inspired me. Now, I don't know who came up with this first, so I can't say thank you, but I've started this and I'm just using clear glitter. So what you guys see is kind of not exactly what's going on, because from other angles, it kind of looks clear. And I haven't top coated yet. But here we go. So with my I have these as my colors out, right? And I'm using a lot of water into the white right here. Right here. Let me get this. I don't know what Marley's doing in there, but that's who you hear. Okay, so Marley, what are you doing in there? Oh, you're turning on the light?
I'm turning off the light.
Oh, okay, good girl. We got lots of babies in here, and Carl loves babies. Can everyone agree?
Carl's a baby creeper.
Yep. We're all scared of the way he sniffs on the babies. Oh! Yes. Okay, can you send me that link?
Oh, that's happening.
Yeah.
I just found Robin a unicorn hoodie.
Yeah, that's happening. It's gonna go under my NASA hoodie. I'm gonna be a space unicorn. Yes. Man, I wish I was kidding. Okay, so there's this now. But on the base, I used Peacefully Me by Dazzle Dry. I'm going in with regular acrylic craft paints in white. They're only like 99 cents for a bottle. Lasts forever. Regular polishes. Oh my gosh.
I'm sorry, I'm distracting. Wow.
Through. And every time that I start to lose control of my brush, you add water and get the brush loaded up again. Okay. So now, with little boop, 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 boop. And again, if you make any mistakes, don't worry. Just have faith. Yeah. Awesome. Now, go like this, and that. These are so little too. Okay. I was going to do a little guy, a little skeleton, all hunched over, and it was so cute. Right, Michelle? I forgot.
Yeah, exactly. It was like a little skeleton Cupid dude.
Yeah, and then that didn't translate. It was too tiny. So we're gonna make it insect-like.
Yeah, I can't handle long nails. It's my bad.
Yeah, it's okay. You do a lot. But you know what? I've seen her save those dang nails. That's for sure. Right?
Truth.
Dude, we've both seen each other eat it live. Right, face first.
Oh, that's very true.
And it's because we're both, our birthdays are near each other. We just eat it in front of other people's establishments.
Biff.
All right, see you later.
Down she goes.
Are you okay? Okay, see you later.
At least our only witnesses were each other.
Exactly. No harm, no foul.
Oh, so lame.
It was funny. It was funnier when you did it. Well, no, it was funnier, I think, I don't know, it's equal. It was equal. It was so stunning to me the first time because she fell straight on her face and did not mess up one nail. I'll remember it forever.
It's a skill.
I'll say. And you jumped into that truck that was like really high up there too, right?
I did indeed.
Well, I could have never jumped in the truck, just saying. Okay, there's that little leg. Now, okay, so because there's just so many legs and so many lines, it's better just to do them real light and kind of discreet, right? And then go back over the lines that are going to be making more sense and make them a little bit darker. See? Because now that stands out as the body. And then I can go back over and make little bubbles where his main body is. What's the matter, Marley?
She can't get her boot on because she didn't unzip it all the way.
She can't zip it up.
I know she's on the struggle bus on something.
Oh my gosh.
So cute. Okay.
Oh my gosh, I love these little line drawings. They're just like so clean and pretty.
I know, and a lot of girls are doing them. So thank you guys for inspiring me. And if you have a line drawing, please leave me a comment so I can see yours. Okay, so here is that one. This one I'm gonna do a hand. Okay, so it was my challenge to try and film more and say more on film. So here's the first thing. Is like I do like a weenie that's cut in half. Now a third one. Everybody looks up. You guys are just as creepy as my dog.
You just said that out loud, bro.
Okay, so me and Nameless have the same handout, so I was like, okay, let me film this. It doesn't matter if it's a chaos house in here. You guys love me. Okay, so here's this.
We learned how to get things done in chaotic environments.
Amen. There's always so many damn babies.
Yeah, our bad.
Yeah, sorry. We're really super,
Fertile?
yes. Thank you. I wasn't gonna say it while I was trying to do this triangle. Okay. So then you just decorate it how you wish. But it's doing line work is exactly like this. All you just go back and forth till it's all filled in, you guys. It's all just practice. Now, when I'm filming this part of it, it's always from a weird angle, and it's much easier to film off camera. That's why you see if you see a lot of people like, okay, so for example, if I'm painting this and I'm like all like this way, that's not how hands go, so you can get any way you want to. But when your hand is with a client, it only goes this way. So filming it is difficult. It's because I have to film like kind of looking down. So I go back in, go it like this, and then I finish it in my desk. So, okay, so meet you back. Okay, so here is the end result. Let me try and share the amazingness.
I like your
Oh, I'll give it to Michelle. So Michelle, here.
I know.
There we go. So put them up into the thing and show your thumbs. I put the top coat on, a matte top coat, and then I
can't.
went over like some of them with a clear coat and made them shiny again. They're not quite all the way dry. So anyways, I'll try and get a good picture at the end for you to see. Let me get another light.
She must play GAMEs on it. And
Oh my gosh, they're so pretty and clean. I love them. Oh my gosh, look at the eyeballs looking at you.
I know, it looks really real in real life.
Oh my gosh, so pretty.
I think they are too.
She's done it again, folks.
Yay! So if you guys copy it, please hashtag me Inspired by Robin Moses, get brushes and support my channel, and I will see you back with more. Everybody have a great day.
Bye.
Hey, I'm supposed to do glamour shots. Duh. You have to remind me. After each one, I want to get like 30 seconds of just turning them and showing from as many different angles and with much light as possible. Okay, I'll let you do it. So let me go again. Okay, and here is the glamour shot. So, can you just like turn them and put them into the thing? This video will be on my YouTube channel, so go over there. Subscribe and all of that stuff. Bye, guys.
So pretty.